Right, so I'm going to demonstrate how you create a simple purchasing system to move credit from one account to another. Say if someone buys something, how do they actually transfer uh, the money from one account into another? Okay, so we're not going to use uh, the cryptocurrency to buy. What we'll do is we'll transfer a credit from one account into another. So we'll pre-charge one account and then we'll transfer some credits into another one. Okay, so here's our simple code here, and so I've already put it in here. So this basically has an event called a money transfer. So this is the thing that's going to transfer the money over from a sender to a receiver. And then we're going to call up our send coin function. Send coin is just going to check the amount of money, the amount of credit that is in the sender's account, and then reduce their amount by that amount, and then increase the receivers by a certain amount, and then perform the transfer. Then we should be able to look at the balance for the ID of the blockchain. Okay, so we'll just compile it and then we'll just grab the code here. We'll see here that we've got a variable that we need to apply, but we'll just grab that there. Okay, right, here's my blockchain. So my blockchain's working just now. There's no miners actually in it, so we'll just get started. Okay, so I'm just going to open up my code here. So there's my code. So I'm going to put 10,000 credits into the owner's account. So that's going to be in this account here. Okay, and then we'll just get that loaded up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to authenticate myself here. Okay, so if we want to just check the accounts on the accounts on the blockchain, then we can use Web3. Okay, so there's two accounts. This is the main account that I'm going to log in with, and I'm going to transfer some credit into this one here. So we'll just get our account unlocked. Okay, so that's that account here. And we'll just load the script. Okay, then we'll just start the miners. Build a miner contract hopefully. And that's it mined. Okay, so this is the name of our contract here. So what we'll do is we'll just find the balance of this account here. This is my account just now, and there should be some credit in there. So we can see there's 10,000 tokens because we pre-charged that. If we now look at the second account, which is this one here, there is 0 tokens. Okay, so hopefully now what we're going to do is we're going to purchase something. So the first account is going to purchase something from the second account, let's say for 1,000 tokens. Okay, so what we'll do is we'll just transfer from here. Okay, so this is the second method that we have. Just let me paste it here, just so that I have it on a single line. So we're going to transfer, going to call up the send coin method with an event, and we're going to transfer it to this account. If we look back at our code, there's our code. Okay, so there's the send counts from a receiver, certain amount, and then we're going to pass in a message, which will give us the message of the sender there. Okay, so this is going to take, it's going to transfer 1,000 tokens into that account. So what I'll do is I'll stop the miner just to show that it won't happen until we mine. So I'm going to paste. Okay, so I've now transferred 1,000 tokens from the first account, my account, into a second account. So there we go. So nothing transferred. I still have the same amount of tokens and nothing transferred. So I'm now going to start the miner, and the miner will be able to find the transaction that we've made. Okay, so there we go, and there it's hopefully mining it there, and that's it mined. So we'll go and have a look at the account, and there it's there. Okay, so we can see that we've now transferred 1,000 tokens from account 0 into account 1. So what we'll do is we'll keep the miners going, and what we'll do is we'll just do another transfer. This time they should be able to pick it up quite quickly. And there it's there. So it's down to 8,000 tokens now. And then the other one is back there. Okay, so only we can do that transfer because we own that account, so we couldn't do the transfer the other way. Somebody on the other side would have to be able to transfer that token, so we'd have to log in as the other person to transfer it the other way. So then we can see we've got that. Okay, so let's try the other way. So that's from 0 to 1. Oops. Let's do it from here. From 0 to 1. Sorry, from 1 to 0. We'll just grab that. What we'll do is we'll just unlock that account there. Okay, so you can see that we're having problems unlocking that account. So we'll just grab the other account details. This is this one here. In fact, it's probably easier for us to do it like this. 3.eth.accounts1, and I think the password is also QWERTY here. Okay, so we've now logged in with the other account, and what we're going to do is transfer from this account 1 into account 0. Unfortunately, there isn't enough credit in to be able to do the mining process. So I would have to put in some Ethereum credit for the transaction to happen. Okay, so that shows a sort of basic transaction within our blockchain.